Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly, the error code. Click OK to close the application. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all type a control panel and go to your control panel. Click on uninstall the programs. Click on turn Windows features or on or off. Check the Net Framework 3.1 including Net 2.0 and 3.0. Click to continue. Now it's required of a few minutes to search and downloading the required Net Framework. Now click on let me Windows update download file view. Now after completing that, close it, and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can install through manually. So go to your open any browser, go to your search engine, and after that type a direct X and user runtime. Click the first link is Microsoft.com. Click download. It's required for a few seconds to download automatically. If not, click on click here. Click save to continue. Now open and drag text. Click yes to continue. Accept the term and condition. Click on next. Install it. Now after doing this, that it's required of a few minutes to download and install automatically into your computer. Now click next to continue. After that, click on finish button, close it, and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.